Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create a zoom out transition by using CapCut keyframes. So here I'm using photos to create the zoom out transition, and what you need to do is just add two keyframes on the photos like this, on each photo. So after you create or add the keyframes, what you need to do is zoom in on the first keyframe like this. Then on the last keyframe, just leave it as it is. Okay. So just repeat what I did like this, and you'll be done. So after that, you'll see zoom out transition like so. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye!